Today, I'll walk you through how to purchase Bitcoin on Coinbase using Apple Pay. Start by opening your Coinbase account. From the main screen, find Bitcoin. You can either search for it, scroll through the prices section, or tap it from your asset portfolio if you already own some. Once you're on the Bitcoin page, tap Buy. This will take you to the purchase screen where your current payment method is listed. Let's say you want to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. Enter the amount, then look for the Pay with section. Tap the arrow next to the current payment method and you'll see the Apple Pay option listed there. Keep in mind, Apple Cash won't work, but Apple Pay will as long as you've added a debit card. Now tap to select Apple Pay, then hit Review Order. It will show you the amount, fees, and confirmation summary. When you hit Buy Now, the Apple Pay panel will pop up. If Apple Cash shows by default, just tap Change Payment Method. You'll then see all your saved cards linked to Apple Pay. Choose a debit card from the list. Most credit cards may not be allowed. Once selected, double-click the side button to confirm the payment. You'll get a confirmation on screen and an email notification when the order is processed. And that's it. If this helped, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.